Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, September 11th, 2022. I can't believe it's been 21 years since the 9/11 happened. As most of the long-term subscribers know, I lost actually a couple friends there, but one was a really, really good friend of mine. So, John Salmon, I'll never forget you. I'll never forget 9/11 and pray that something like that never happens again. So let's get started. So Friday, we saw a pretty good rally. What I'm showing you right now, this is the VIX, and why I've been kind of up in the air on direction and saying I want to wait for one side to wear themselves out before jumping either long or short. So you can see right here, when we were up here, this is when we were getting long. We had the big move down. This is where we covered our long positions, and now we've been looking on the short side. So we're in the middle right here. If we come back down and get a double bottom on it, then it's just going to be a better shorting opportunity if that happens. Now, if we start breaking away and getting to the upside, then we're going to start seeing prices react to the downside. So here you can see we have bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart here. The resistance, we made it through this was the important resistance area, and the main reason for that was really just the 200-day moving average. That's pretty much right where we were, as well as this resistance. So we're popping above it, and really, what happens if the bulls can maintain, say, the strength that's there right now? We we have some resistance right at the 4087, but we have 4100, and even looking up to this 4200. I wouldn't rule out, because we had this nice move to the downside. Everybody was short, so right now they any kind of bounces, they were getting excited to short, and now they're going to end up getting squeezed. So I'm not really too anxious to be going on the long side, but I'm just don't believe that now is going to be the right time to short, because we're breaking out of that little congestion zone to the upside. So if we come back down, and maybe the 4014 area, 4015 is used as support, and maybe we go long. I'm kind of leaving an open mind on this. The easiest trade is if they just continue up, and then we start building our short position up here. But if we come down, this is where we have to make a trading decision as far as, do we want to try the long side. So we don't have any bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart here. So again, it's telling us seeing a little bit of backfilling before the next move higher, either up to the 4100 area, 4125. If it gets above that, that's where we start looking at a move possibly up to the 4200. So we're very overbought. Again, the resistance area that the bulls are going to have to get through is going to be the 4087, and then up here at the 4116. Until the bears can get priced, say, below this 4018 area, the bulls are going to continue to try higher. So keep that in mind. Just let this play out. Don't be too anxious to short. We have the five waves down, so seeing a retracement all the way back up to this level is not out of the ordinary. And then once the bulls run out of steam, that's when we really start this descent to the downside. And I think the rate of change is going to really pick up, and we're going to see a lot of people stopped out of positions. But for right now, stay open minded, wait and see if price gets up here to look to short, or if it comes down and support holds, maybe go long. But we'll determine that tomorrow when the market's open. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Again, anybody that lost anybody on 9/11, I'm so sorry. It's never easy, even 21 years later. And with that, I will talk to you guys in the morning.